In this video, I will show you how to view your secret phrase on Exodus Wallet. So first of all, open up your Exodus Wallet app, and from here navigate to the tab all the way at the bottom right, and from here we're going to click on Security. So let's click on this, and in order to view our secret phrase, we need to click on Backups all the way at the top, and once we do that, we need to click on Secret Phrase down below. So as you can see down below, it also says write down a 12-word recovery phrase to restore your wallet anytime. So please be sure that you have a place to store this secret phrase in a safe way, because if you ever want to restore your wallet, you need to fill in this secret phrase. So noting this down is really important. So let's say I want to view it, then we're going to click on this, and then you need to click on this box down below. And now you need to click on View Secret Phrase, and then you will see it. But please note as well that you never share the secret phrase with anyone else, because if someone else has your secret phrase, they can literally steal your funds anytime. So view it privately with no cameras around. Anyway, that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.